So there are actually different types of rabbit, and metal rabbit compared with the last 6 rabbits that are out there, metal rabbit has the most increase in growth based on the past 60-year cycles. So it's actually a good time. But then different parts of the world have different effects. Because you can have just one chart like for the whole world, 3 billion people, facing the same thing. So different parts have different effects. So we look at, let's say China, for example, and we look at the astrology chart for China, and the negative Earth star is actually in China now. Everyone thinks that, the growth is all in China and it's causing lots of recovery and all. But when Earth element's there, that means there is a control over Earth-related subjects. So what is Earth-related subjects? Real estate, properties. So China, in order to prevent its own recession, is going to control its properties, control its property prices. Now, if the metal and wood, as you have rightly said, is going to clash, and sometimes when metal and wood clash, it will break the wood. So we don't know whether it will break the wood because it depends much on whether there's the savior element called the water element is present. But let's say it's an extreme case and it does break the wood. That means China will not be able to control its property markets, and therefore will send the middle class who controls some of the spending and the money and all that will go into trouble, and that will affect their imports, right? And that means US, which is basically on its way to recovery, will face great difficulties because the Chinese can't buy any more stuff from them. Okay, that's worst case scenario.